عارفها ها.
Hey, I thought you fixed that problem. Damon Borkowitz, first lap, 23.5. Chris Weiss's 23.9. Sebastian Hasbun, 24.7.
Thank you, Sebastian.
Four minutes left.
Down, 3:30 to go. Damon Borkowitz still in the lead. Chris Weiss is in it too. Chris is currently half a second behind Damon Borkowitz. Sebastian Hasbun 2 seconds back. Gavin in the 4. Lazzie in the 5.
Minutes left.
What's wrong with your car, David?
No, I didn't go.
2:30 down, 2:30 to go. Damon's still in the lead. Chris Bison's in the 2, right behind him. Sebastian Hasbun in the 3. 3 seconds back. Lazzie, Gavin, Kyle, and Glenn Carlson all together. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Glenn Carlson airing out the triple. And then hitting every pipe after it.
Relax, feedback. You're going to come up on traffic.
Our number 3 car is catching some traffic now. 1 and 2 got through it pretty clean. Opening it up. 1 through the beam. Second place through the beam.
This one's on the beam.
Down, 1:30 to go. Damon Borkowitz in the lead. Chris Bison's in the 2. Sebastian Hasbun in the 3. Kyle Phillips in the 4 from the bump spot.
Let him go, Kyle. Let him go.
Leaders are coming through traffic right now. 1 minute left. Up to 4th place is lapped right now. 3rd place getting on the straightaway right now. 1 and 2 just came through the beam. I got 4:15 down, 45 seconds to go. Damon, Chris Bison, Sebastian Hasbun. Our second place has a little bobble in the rhythm section. Let's Damon get a little more lead. I think he's still close enough to put the pressure on him. Sebastian's actually catching Chris Bison's right now. He doesn't have enough time to make it happen. 5 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. That's the race. Sebastian's finished. You come through the beam, you're finished. 3, 4, and 5 all finished. Kyle Phillips 4th from the bump.